You'll need a large bowl with a towel, cooking spray, a whisk, measuring cups, a tablespoon, a meat thermometer, a few glass dishes, some all-purpose flour, 1 egg, some butter, yeast, salt, sugar, milk, and a mixer with a dough hook. To your mixing bowl, add your flour, salt, butter, and egg. Put your milk and sugar in a glass cup and microwave until 110 degrees. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast to your milk and sugar and whisk together. While waiting for your yeast to wake up, let your flour, butter, egg, and salt mix together. After 5 minutes, your yeast is ready. Pour in your yeast and begin to mix. Mix this until the dough ball starts to form and pull away from the bowl. I prefer to knead mine by hand, going from corner to corner and allowing my fingers to pull the dough back toward me. You'll know it's done when it feels like Play-Doh. Place your dough ball in a bowl that you sprayed with cooking spray, cover with a towel, let rise in a warm place for 1 hour. Spray your dish with cooking spray, and then take your dough and dump it out onto your surface. Next, take some of your dough, pinch it off, use your fingers to fold it under itself, making a dough ball, and then we're going to place it in our greased dish. Repeat this step until you're finished with all of your dough. Spread them apart so they can rise, cover with a tea towel, and let rise for 45 minutes. After they've risen, preheat your oven to 350. Bake for about 22 minutes and then brush the tops with butter. Enjoy!